28 May 2020, and today I want to quickly show you the changes that have been made by Nelson Chamisa this evening. Nelson Chamisa has fired some people and he has reshuffled some key non-performing people within his standing committee, and I want to quickly give you the list of the people that were fired, especially those that were moved with Thokozani Kupe to MDCT. That is Elias Mzuri, Douglas Monzora, Morgan Komichi. Those have been fired and they've been replaced. And then we have had some new people that have also been put in to new positions, people that have been moved away from the old positions where they were not performing properly. And in my view, Nelson Chamisa still has to fire more people. There are a lot of people around Nelson Chamisa that are not performing. For example, Dr. Nkululeko Sibanda has not been performing. I spoke about him yesterday. He has not been speaking for Nelson Chamisa. Chamisa has been left exposed without someone to answer for him during the period when he was needed the most. So he is the person that I'm looking as the next person that is going to be fired by Nelson Chamisa. But the biggest surprise for this evening was Daniel Molekele. He was relieved of his position as a spokesperson for the party and was replaced by a secretary for communications who is advocate Fadzai Mahere. I think that was a very good appointment. She's very well spoken and many people like her. She's got a lot of connections, and the fact that she's a woman is going to give her an advantage, because in the MDC there has been a few women who have had these positions, these high level positions. So she's got almost like a pioneering role of saying, I was one of the first women to speak for the MDC. I think no one has ever had, no woman has ever spoken for the MDC before. So let's see how this goes. This is a very, very interesting change that Nelson Chamisa has made. I think, in my opinion, this team could do well. They could do well. There is a chance that they will do well, especially if the people that have been causing confusion are now out. So let me quickly show you. I said Mzuri is gone, Monzora is gone, Komichi is gone, Molekele is gone. And then I said that the Secretary for Communication is now Fadzai Mahere. Her deputies is Felix Magalela Sibanda and Clifford Hlatshwayo. So she's got two deputies. And then obviously the Secretary General remains Chathon Wende, who was making the statement this evening. He's the one who announced these names. Then the Deputy Secretary General is Consilia Chinanzwavana and David Chimini. The guy called Jameson Timber, who's been speaking a lot over the past month, has been moved from the position of Deputy Secretary General. And so I'll show you where he's gone to. Then Treasury General is now David Coltart as usual. He's been there. The Deputy Treasury General position is vacant. There's no one in that position. I didn't see the announcement there. Organizing Secretary remains Amos Chibaya. And then the deputy is going to be Murisi Jizwai, who is moving from Deputy Treasury General. The deputy, again, there are two deputies here, is Buddha Masara. The two people that have been relieved from these positions. So this is a key position which hasn't been performing. The key people that were moved here is Happy Mochidziwa and Sibusisiwe Masara. They were removed. Right, the next position is Secretary for Elections. Here, Ian Makone is now the Secretary for Elections with the Deputy Ellen Shiriedenga. I think Ellen has always been there, but Jacob Mafume was fired. Jacob was not performing in this position. If you recall, he was also removed from his previous position in communication. I don't think he's doing a good job. I've spoken to the guy before. I don't think he does a good job of engaging with people. So that is one of the key problems that we've had in the MDC. We have people that are appointed, but then they don't engage with people. So you have to hunt for them. If you want to talk to a spokesperson, you have to hunt for them. They're not available. which is very terrible for a person who is in a public-facing position. That has been the biggest problem in the MDC. Office bearers that are not present. Now let's go to local government and rural development. There is Siso Zwidzai, who moves from entrepreneurship to this position, local government and rural development, deputized by Jacob Mafume. Jacob Mafume is probably going to be resting in this position. There's not much to do in rural development. Now let's go to the next position, which is the president's office. So a lot of people have been put in the president's office, and this is Jameson Timber, Happy Mo Chidziva, Luke Tamborinyoka. He was fired from deputy spokesperson to this position of something in the president's office. It's not very clear. And then you look at the other position here was deputy for international affairs. That is destroyer Lovemore Chinoputsa. Lovemore Chinoputsa, I don't know, he's been a bit quiet. I haven't seen him in action. So he's been moved to international affairs. I don't know how many people he knows in the international arena, but that is where they've put him. Now, let me show you what the national executive of the MDC looked like before tonight, and then we'll conclude. So President Nelson Chamisa, Vice President Watchman Ncube, Tendai Biti, Linet Karenyi Kore, Chairperson Tabita Kumalo, Vice Chairperson Job Wiwa Scala, Secretary General Charlton Wende, DSG Consilia Masuku, Chinamjavana, DSG Jameson Timber. So Timber was moved. I'm showing you the old structure. And the Deputy Treasury General was Maurice Zwidzai. He was deputy to David Coulthard. And you can see that there's no more deputy there. Organizing Secretary was Amos Chibaya. Deputy was Busisiwe Masara. Deputy was also Happy Mo Chidziva. So there were two. These two have been moved, as I said before. Spokesperson was Fortune Daniel Molokele, deputized by Luke Tamborinyoka. These two guys have been fired from these positions. In fact, Fortune is totally out. Presidential Affairs, Morgan Komichi, Deputy Lillian Tivias. Very interesting. Morgan has been fired. Morgan Komichi from Presidential Affairs. Secretary for Elections was Jacob Mafume. Deputy was Ellen Shiredenga. Jacob Mafume has been fired from that position. Local government was Elias Mzuri. Deputy was Clifford Hlachwayo. Hlachwayo has moved to be deputy in the spokesperson or deputy secretary for communication. And then Elias Mzuri has been fired. He's now with Thokozani Kupe. Secretary for Legal Affairs, Innocent Gonese. Deputy MP, Brian Dube. These are still the same. International Affairs was Gladys Hlachwayo with the vice of Douglas Ngonzora. So these two guys, International Affairs is still there, deputized by Destroyer Chinoputsa, whereas the vice Douglas Ngonzora has been fired. Research and Policy Taposh Mashakada, Deputy Miriam Mushai. Nothing has changed here. Secretary for Recruitment and Mobilization, Morgan Ncube. I don't know how this department links up with the organizing secretaries. Public Affairs and Social Welfare, Maureen Kademaunga. I think she's still there. Education, Sports and Culture, Fadzai Mahere. Mahere is now moved to be Secretary for Communication, Transport and Logistics, Settlement Chikwinya. Nothing has changed there. Domestic Affairs, Rita Ndlovu, Deputy Edwin Mushoriwa. Cadetship Development, Jingiwane, Deputy Lovemore Chinoputsa. These guys were not doing a good job. Lovemore is now moved to be Deputy of International Relations. I don't think they were doing a good job. Tourism was Teresa Makone, still the same, nothing changed. Disabilities, Mzingwa. Lands and Agriculture, Rusty Markham. I've never seen Rusty Markham. Entrepreneurship was Siso Zwidzai. Siso Zwidzai is gone. He's gone to another portfolio. Energy sector was Jasmine Tofa. National Healing was Blessing Chebundo. Intelligence was Costa Machinga Uta. And then our committee members is Stuart Shakespeare Mukoi, McClayton James Chidakwa, Memory Mbondia, Paddington Japa Japa, Gift Chimanikire, David Chimini, who is moved to another portfolio, Dorcas Banda, Kudakwashe Baskiti of G40, Gift Banda, Spiwe Ngube, Spiwe Banda, Innocent Jakaipa, Garikai, Changirai. So this was the old structure. And the key point is that people have been moved from two key areas, which is the communications, organizing secretaries, and then people were fired, some people were reshuffled. What do I think? I think the team, as I said, can do a good job. There will be less noise without the guys who are causing the noise. However, I do not know if the spokespeople are going to be more present, they're going to be more up to date, they're going to speak in an authoritative manner. Especially Dr. Nkululeko Banda. I think he needs to be moved from that position. He's not speaking well for Chamisa. Chamisa needs to have someone who knows how to stand his ground. Someone who can speak like Chamisa. If Chamisa is not there, you should get an answer, a straight answer. You shouldn't be begging him for an answer. So the party itself, MDC Alliance, has a good spokesperson, but I think that change needs to be done. Chamisa needs to have someone who can speak for him, who can organize press conferences quickly and in have a good relationship with the media. So this is it. I'll come back in the morning. I've got an interesting piece that I want to share with you tomorrow morning. So for now, thank you very much for watching. If you're watching this on WhatsApp, send it to as many people as possible. If you're watching on YouTube and Facebook, please like, comment, and share.